Yes, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Mataji, is my screen visible? My voice audible? Hare Krishna.
Yes, Prabhuji.
So today's chapter is chapter number 9. That is Raj Guhya Yoga. Okay. So this is another chapter in Bhakti Yoga. Okay. So from Bhakti Yoga started from chapter number 7, then chapter number 8, then this is chapter number 9. Okay. So let's start the chapter with Guru Pranam Mantra. Om Ajnanam Timirandhasya Jnananjana Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutapadakamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitam Tam Sajivam साधवैतम साधुतम परिजन सहितम कृष्ण चैतन्य देवम श्री राधा कृष्ण पादान शरगना ललिता श्री शाखान्वितम च नमां विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So this the teachings is based on His Divine Grace S. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, our spiritual Guru Maharaj, and through him only we are able to know this Bhagavad Gita. So we pay our humble obeisances to his lotus feet so that we can learn this chapter number 9. Okay. So summary, these are the summaries. So we'll start with chapter number 7 summary. Chapter number 7 we have read, hearing from him, about him we have heard, and seeing him everywhere. So how to see him everywhere we have seen. Okay. 4 types of people who accept Krishna and 4 types of people who reject Krishna. And who is the best of them? So we have read. Okay. So Jnani is the best of them. Okay. And then remembering Krishna at the time of death. So what are the 8? So different questions were there from the Arjuna. The last question was how to remember Krishna you at the time of death. So we read that death is an exam and we have to prepare for the exam. So this whole life is the preparation phase and we don't know when the exam is there. So question is fixed, but the time when the exam will be there, that is not fixed. So what we should do? We should prepare for the exam from now onwards. Okay, and then attaining the supreme, then pure bhakti, and the spiritual and the material world. Okay. Now this is the chapter number 9. Okay. So chapter 9, number 9 is called Raj Guhya Yoga. Okay, the most confidential knowledge. So the name is Raj Guhya Yoga. So this knowledge is called Raj Yoga. Raj means it is the king of all the knowledge, and then it is also a Guhya Yoga. So what is the meaning of Raj Guhya? We'll see later. So the mnemonic is king. So this knowledge, the king of all the knowledge. So the mnemonic is also king. So K for the knowledge, this knowledge, and then inconceivable relationship. Okay, then non-worship, and then glories of the bhakti. So 4 headings will read. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 knowledge, inconceivable relationship, non-worship, and glories of bhakti. That is king. Okay. So First, we'll start with the degree of confidential knowledge. So first, some knowledge is confidential knowledge. We have got that knowledge. Some knowledge is confidential, and then some knowledge is more confidential, and some of the knowledge is most confidential. So we have read from the chapter number 2 to 6 that knowledge is called Guhya knowledge. Okay, Guhya knowledge. That is the body and the soul distinction. So that is called Guhya knowledge. Okay, we know that we are this soul, we are not this body, still we are attached to this body. So that knowledge we have that, but we are not able to apply that. That knowledge is Guhya knowledge, that Chupawa knowledge. Okay, that is Guhya knowledge. And then more confidence, some more confidence in knowledge of Bhakti, Krishna Sambandha. It is called more confidence in the word is Guhyatara. Okay, the word, the superlative degree is there. First is Guhya, then Guhyatara, and Guhyatamam. Most confidential is called Guhyatamam. So pure devotional service. The pure devotional service is called Guhyatamam Yoga. Okay. Kevala Bhakti and Krishna's reciprocation. So how we do Kevala Bhakti and how Krishna reciprocates. It is called Guhyatamam Yoga. So Guhya Yoga, the body and soul distinction. Then Guhyatara, that is knowledge of Bhakti. And Guhyatamam is the knowledge of pure Bhakti and Krishna's reciprocation. Okay. So hearing the confidential knowledge, first the knowledge came for the knowledge. So Sri Bhagavan Vacha. So Krishna is saying, Idam tute guhyatamam. So you can see here the word which is guhyatamam. So this knowledge is called guhyatamam. It is the most confidential knowledge. Okay. Guhya is confidential. Guhyatamam is most confidential. Idam tute guhyatamam pravakshami anusuyaya. So what is the meaning of Anusuya? Anusuya is non-envious. Why this knowledge, this Guhyatamam knowledge is being spoken by me to you? Because you are non-envious to me. That is Anusuya. You are Anusuya to me. You are non-envious to me. You have faith in me. That's why this most confidential knowledge is being spoken to you. Vijnanam vijana sahitam yajyatva moksha mokshashe ashubhat. Okay, so the Supreme Personality of Godhead say, my dear Arjuna, because you are never envious of me, that is Anusuya, I shall impart to you this most confidential knowledge and realization, that is Guhyatamam knowledge. Okay, knowing which you shall be relieved of the miseries of this material existence. You will get moksha. Okay, so you will get, knowing this knowledge, you will get the moksha. So this is moksha. So this is the most confidential knowledge. Okay, that is Guhyatamam Yoga. If we are not serious in devotional service, we will stay in this material world. Okay, so if we know this knowledge, then what will happen? By knowing this knowledge, we will go to the Supreme Loka. Okay, we will get moksha. And if we are not knowing this knowledge, what will happen? If we are knowing this knowledge, what will happen? We will attain moksha. And if we are not knowing this knowledge, what will happen? We will stay in this material world. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi. Okay, we will be staying in this world. Then the second sloka, a king of knowledge. So this knowledge, this Bhagavad Gita knowledge is the king of knowledge. Okay, so let's hear. Raja Vidya Raj Guhyam. So this knowledge is Raja of all the knowledge. And this knowledge is Guhyam as well. Okay, so this is knowledge, is king of all the education, is the secret of all the secret. Okay. Pavitram, this knowledge also Pavitram, Idam Uttamam. So it is the purest knowledge. Okay. Prataksha avagamam dharmyam. So this knowledge will give direct perception of the dharma. Okay, so this knowledge will give direct perception of dharma. Susukham kartam abhyayam. So it will give susukham. That is called susukham is sukham. That is this joy. Okay, sukham is joy. Kartam abhyayam. That is everlasting. Abhyayam is there is no end. Okay, so let's read. Raja Vidya Raj Guhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Prataksha Avgamam Dharmyam Sukham Kartum Abhyayam. This knowledge, the king of knowledge, Raj Vidya, the most secret of all the secrets, that is Raj Guhyam. It is the purest knowledge, that is Pavitram, and because it gives direct perception of self by realization, that is Prataksha Avgamam. It is and dharmyam, prataksha abgamam dharmyam. It gives direct perception of self by realization. It is the perfection of the religion. It is everlasting and it is joyfully performed. Okay, so this is the knowledge. So we have so many books, knowledge. Okay, so many knowledge, science knowledge, science knowledge, material knowledge contains of so many knowledge, science knowledge, civics knowledge, financial knowledge, so many knowledges are there. And one more knowledge is there. Okay, that is called spiritual knowledge. So Bhagavad Gita knowledge, Bhagavatam knowledge, that spiritual knowledge. Okay. So we have Vedas also, so many Vedas are there. So all many knowledge we have. And this knowledge, that is this chapter number 9 knowledge, it's called Raj Vidya. That is Vidya. All the knowledge is this knowledge, the king of all the knowledge. Okay, and this is the most secret. What is the meaning of most secret? Okay, you have this book open to you. So you can read all the sloka, but you won't be able to realize. Okay, you won't be able to realize. Why you won't be able to realize? Because the most important thing to realize this knowledge is non-enviousness or faith in Krishna or devotion to Krishna. So when you start doing devotional service, then gradually you will be able to understand this knowledge. Okay, many people what they do, they read Gita multiple times. What happens? When you read Gita first time, then gradually what happens? Then the devotional service will start. You will start hearing about Krishna and you will start your devotional service. And when you start doing devotional service, gradually you will be able to understand Gita more. And when you start understanding Gita more, and when you are reading, then again you will relish more and more new things. This is the thing. So when you start reading, every time you will get new relation, every time you will get new everlasting joy. So when you are reading Bhagavad Gita, this is the thing. So while reading also, your devotional service is gradually developing, and when the devotional service is developing, you will relish the Gita more. So this is the thing. Okay, so this is Raj Vidya, Raj Vayam, Pavitram Vidamuttamam. So this is the purest form of knowledge. Okay, Prataksha Avgamam Dharmyam. So Prataksha Avgamam Dharmyam. What is that meaning? I will tell you the one example so that you can understand. Okay, Susukam Kartam Abhyayam. Okay. So that is the meaning only written here. Raj Vidya, king of knowledge, Raj Vayam, most confidential knowledge, Pavitram, purest knowledge, Uttamam, transcendental knowledge, Prataksha Avgamam Dharmyam, perfection of the religion, Susukam, very joyful, Abhyayam, everlasting. So these are the meaning from the sloka. Why is it so tough? Why is it so tough in accepting this joyful process? Okay, so those who are not faithful in this devotional service cannot attain me. So first slide, first only I told you, if you are not faithful to Bhagavad Gita, if you are not faithful to Krishna, then you won't be able to understand this Gita. So Krishna is also speaking 9.3. Because all of the people won't be able to understand. Okay, so prerequisite to understand Gita is the faith. Okay, if you don't have the faith, you won't understand Gita. So Krishna is also saying, those who are not faithful in devotional service cannot attend me, O conqueror of enemy. Therefore, they return to the path of birth, death in this material world. So you will be coming again and again to this material world. The birth and death you will take again and again. So two qualifications to understand this knowledge. So first is Anusuyave, it's non-envious. And second is Shraddha, faith. Okay, so these two things are there. These two things are requisite. Okay. Maya tamam idam sarvam jagat avyakta murtina mat sthani sarva bhutani na chaham te avastitaha. By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. So what is the meaning of unmanifested form? Unmanifested is the form which is not visible. Krishna is at a place, okay, but he is also in all the places. So that thing we are not able to visualize. So in his unmanifested form, he is pervading all the universe. So he is in all the universe, okay, and all beings are in me, but I am not in them. So this is the meaning. So you can see Yashoda Maya is there. And when Krishna childhood pastime is there. So when Krishna was child, Balram was also child. So they were playing, and other gopis, other Gopa boys were also playing in the mud. So Balram came to Mother, Maya, Krishna has eaten the mud. Okay, Krishna has eaten the mud. Let's see how Krishna is eating mud. So Maya went to Krishna, and she saw that Krishna is playing. Krishna, have you eaten the mud? No, Maya, I haven't eaten the mud. Okay. No, Balram was saying that you have eaten the mud. No, Maya, this Balram is Balram Tau, he doesn't like me. This Gopa boy doesn't like me. They are telling lie. I haven't eaten the mud. Okay, like that he was telling. So Maya told, okay, then show me your mouth. So when Krishna opened the mouth, then she can see all the universe in this mouth. Okay, all the universe, even she can see herself in the mouth also. So this is the thing. Okay, so Krishna is in all the pervaded in all the universe. Okay, so Krishna is pervaded in all the universe is inside the Krishna, but he is not inside them. Okay, so this is the meaning. So Narad Muni. Okay, so let's read the story. Let's try to understand the story. Then I will tell you which meaning uh, it is teaching us. Okay, so Narad Muni uh, was a son of this Dasi. Okay. Dasi means a maid servant. So he was a son of maid servant, but he was very pious. He used to serve the Rishi Muni. She used to give food to the Rishi Muni. So Rishi Muni used to come in his house and they used to stay. So once Chaturmas was there. Chaturmas means the rainy season. So in the rainy season, the Rishi Muni won't go. They will stay at one place. So once at that time, many Rishi Munis were there, and when they converse with each other, they try to glorify Krishna. And the small child used to hear that story. Okay, and when the Rishi Muni used to eat, after eating, they left some food that they could Krishna. So those foods the child used to eat. So gradually, what happens by hearing about the pastimes of Krishna, by taking the left out food of the Rishi Munis, gradually this person, this small kid, become a devotee. Okay, become very realized soul. So then he become Narad Muni. So you can see for made person who knows nothing, no Shastra, no Vedas, nothing he have read, nothing he has Vedas and nothing he has read. Only he has listened from the realized souls. He has taken the left out food of the used to make Narad as a joke. Such a great devotee. Many people, many great devotees, Guru is Narad Muni. You can see Dhruva Maharaj is there, Prahlad Maharaj is there, all of them, Vyas Deva, all of them. Vyas Deva has written so many Vedas, full of those knowledge. Vyas Deva has written. Narad Muni is his Guru. Okay. Then Dhruva Maharaj is there, and Vyas Deva is there. So all of these great elevated. So Narad Muni is the great. Narad Muni was their Guru.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Video is stuck Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. हाँ मुझे देख के चल मेरा कान में ये है ना। हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
I was looking for. Till where we have read Mataji? story.
Prabhuji, last 1 minute. Last 1 minute, whatever.
So I was telling that by associating with the devotees, by only the taking remnants of the great sadhu and hearing about the Lord from the great sadhu, he become a great devotee. Narad Muni become a great devotee. So this is the meaning of the word. So this is the meaning of this word. What was the word? Prataksha avagamam dharmyam. It will give you direct perception of the religion, direct perception of the dharma. There is no need to read Shastra. There is no need to read all the Vedas. If you are doing the devotional service, if you are doing the practice of this devotional service, if you have this confidential knowledge means the devotional knowledge, then all the knowledge you will get automatically. So that is prataksha avagamam. So you will get all the knowledge by the practicing this devotional service. Okay. Okay. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Yeah. My voice is okay now, Mataji.
Okay, Prabhuji, in between, little bit.
I was getting a call, that's why.
Okay.
Now it's okay. Okay. So I hope you have understood the story and what is the meaning of prataksha avagamam dharma. Okay. Now let's try to move forward. Inconceivable relationship. Okay. And yet everything that is created does not rest in me. Behold my mystic opulence. Although I am the maintainer of all the divinity, and although I am everywhere, I am not a part of this cosmic manifestation. For myself is very source of the creation. Okay. So he is the source of all the creation. He is the maintainer of all the entity, living entity. Okay. Inconceivable. So understand that as the mighty wind blowing everywhere, rest always in the sky, all created being rest in me. So all the created being depends on Krishna. He is maintainer of all. Okay. The whole cosmic order is under me. Under my will, it is automatically manifested again and again. And under my will, it is annihilated at the end. So Krishna don't have to go and do all the things by himself. He don't have to do anywhere and do mechanical work. So he just have to think. So Krishna is saying, under my will. Okay, under my will. So you just have to think and things happens. Okay. Oh Dhananjaya, all this work cannot bind me. I am ever detached from all these material activities. It is as though neutral. So Krishna is saying he is neutral. Okay, he is detached from all those things. Okay, he is not attached to all. So we'll read the meaning of what is the meaning of detached. Okay. मया धक्षेण प्रकृति सूयते सा चराचरम हेतु नानेन कांतेया जगत विपरिवर्तते. This material nature, which is one of my energies, is working under my direction, O son of Kunti, producing all moving and non-moving being. Under its rule, this manifestation is created again and annihilated again and again. So this material nature, Krishna is saying, this material nature is under him. Maya dakshena prakriti. So this prakriti is under my nature. Suyate chara acharam. So the moving and the non-moving, all is produced by Prakriti, and this Prakriti is under the Krishna. Okay. Why some people do not respect as you as the Supreme Personality of Godhead? So many people are there who won't be respecting Krishna as Supreme Personality of Godhead. They have their own theories. Okay. Why they do not? Because they are fool. Krishna is saying, "Fool deride me." Okay. Avajananti ma mudha manushim avajananti ma mudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavam ajananto mama bhuta maheshwaram. Fool derides me when I descend in the human form, manushim. So in the body of manushim, when I come, then fool will think that I am the this body only. I am having material body only. He doesn't know that my janma, my karma, this body or the transcendental. Okay, they do not know my transcendental nature as the supreme Lord and of all that be. So they do not know me that I am the supreme Lord. Okay, so there's one example for you to understand. Let's think that the president, okay, one president is there. So he is the proprietor of all the prison house and all houses. Okay, so one prison house is there and president is visiting that prison house. So though the president is the proprietor of the prison house, okay, the prison house is under him, but when he visits the prison house, the person, the prisoner who is in the prison will think that okay, this person which is coming, he must have also done something wrong. That's why we have done something wrong. He must have done something wrong. After doing something wrong, we have come to this place. So he has also done something wrong and he has come to this place. So this the person with the prisoner, they will think like this, okay, because they are fools. So Krishna is saying fools delight me. So they are fools. That's why they think of it, think like this. Okay. Okay. मोघ शामोघ कर्माणो मोघ ज्ञान विशेत विशेतसः राक्षसीम् असुरीं चैव प्रकृतिं मोहिनीं आश्रितः. Those who are thus bewildered are attracted by demoniac and atheistic views. So they have demoniac and atheistic views. Okay. In that deluded condition, their hope for liberation, their fruitive activity, and their culture of knowledge are defeated. So nothing will work. If you don't have Krishna with you, all things are zero. Okay. If you add Krishna, then that all zeros will become valuable. Okay. So if zeros are there, and if you add one in the front of it, then it will become like 100,000 like that. And if zero is only there, then there is no meaning. So Krishna is like one. Okay. So all things, the fruitive activity, culture, knowledge, anything, okay, so all things will be defeated. There won't be anything. So destination of such a vendor is defeated. Okay. Who are the one who is Krishna? So Mahatma. So what is the meaning of Mahatma? Mahatmanastu mam patha devim prakritim mashritaha bhajanti ananya manaso gyatva bhutadim avyayam. O son of Pratha, those who are not deluded, the great souls, are under the protection of my divine nature. They are fully engaged in the devotional service because they know me as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, original and inexhaustible. Okay, so they know what is the position of Krishna, and then they worship Krishna, then they serve Krishna. Okay. How to recognize such personality? How to recognize the Mahatma? So what they're doing? Satatam Kirtayanto Mam. Satatam means always. Kirtayanto. So they Kirtan always. Okay. Who's Mam? Means Krishna. So they're always chanting the glories of Krishna. Okay. Yatanta cha dridavata. So how they have their determination? The determination is fixed. Okay. Namasyantascha mam bhaktya nitya yukta upashate. So what they are doing? Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, going down before me. This great soul perpetually worship me with devotion. So what is the Mahatma's activity? How you can identify Mahatmas? Kirtayanta. So they are always chanting. Satatam Kirtayanta. Okay. Dridvrata. So their fixed determination is fixed. Their determination is Krishna. Okay. Namasyanta. Okay, so they are offering obeisances. Whenever they are saying the deities, whenever they are saying senior Vaishnava, they give Dandvat Pranam. Okay. And Nitya Yukta means always engaged in worship. Okay. Nitya Yukta Upashate. So they are always engaged in the devotional service. So these are the Mahatma's activities. Okay. So Supreme Personality of Godhead, object of worship. Okay. Pita aham asya jagato. So he is Pita of all the jagat. Okay. Pita aham asya jagato. Mata Dhrita Pitamaha. So he is the mother. He is the mother also. He is the Dhrita. He is the supporter also. And he is the Pitamaha. He is the grandsire also. Okay. Vedayam Pavitram Omkara Rik Sam Yajur Evacha. So he is the Vedyam. So he is also the Veda. He is the thing to Veda means to know. Okay, so he is the object of knowledge. Pavitram, he is the purifier. Omkara, so he is Omkara. Okay, Om. Rig, Sham, and Yajur, he is the all the Vedas. So I am the father of this universe. Pita Aham, the mother and the support and the grandsire. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and the Om syllable. I am also the Rig, I am the Sam and the Yajurveda. So he is all the things. I am the goal, the sustainer, the master, the witness, the abode, the refuge, and the most dear friend. I am the creation and the annihilation. I am the basic of everything. I am the basis of everything, the resting place, and the eternal chief. So Krishna is saying, I am all the things. Okay, so Krishna is saying, I am all. O Arjuna, I give heat. I withhold and send forth the rain. I am immortality and I am also death personified. Both spirit and matter are on in me. Krishna is telling about himself. Okay? Those who study Vedas and drink the Som juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. Purified of sinful reactions will take birth on the pious heavenly planets of Indra, where they enjoy godly delights. Okay, so when we accumulate punya karma, then we go to higher planets to enjoy our punya karma, to enjoy our the punya karma. We go to higher planets. Okay, and when our the pious activity is lost, then what will happen? Then our pious activity are exhausted. Then what will happen? We'll come back again to the earth. Okay, so let's see what is written. When they have thus enjoyed vast heavenly sense pleasure and the results of their pious activities are exhausted, they return to this mortal planet again. Okay, so we are doing punya karma, we are going to higher planet, we are doing our activities are adjusted, we are coming back to earth. So this is the cycle. We are doing this. We are again and again going the cycle. But uh, how to come out of this cycle? So let's see. Thus, those who seek sense enjoyment by adhering to the principles of three Vedas achieve only repeated birth and death. Okay. So when we when we only are engaged in the sense enjoyment, then what will happen? We are we will be taking birth again and death again. So we'll be in this cycle only. Okay. अनन्याश्चिन्तयन्तो मां ये जनाः प्रयुपासते तेषां नित्याभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. So Krishna is saying वहाम्यहम्. Aham means me. Okay. So he personally do all the things. So what he personally do for the Mahatma, let's see. But those who always worship me with exclusive devotion, meditating on my transcendental form, to them I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have. So Krishna is saying, Baham Meham. So he personally he carry what they lack. Whatever you lack, he will carry. And whatever you have, he will preserve. How? Personally. Okay. Vaham, Baham Meham. So he is doing that personally. Okay. ये अपि अन्य देवता भक्ता यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्वितः ते अपि माम् एव कौन्तेय यजन्ति अविद्धि पूर्वकम्. Okay, avidhi purvakam. So Krishna is saying that avidhi means that wrong way. Okay, avidhi. Okay. One is vidhi is proper way, avidhi is wrong way. Avidhi purvakam. What is the avidhi purvakam? Krishna is saying, let's read. Those who are devotee of other gods and who worship them with faith actually worship only me, O son of Kunti, but they do so in a wrong way. So whatever Devi Devta you are worshipping, whatever demigods you are worshipping, so you are actually worshipping Krishna at the last, but that you are doing in the wrong way. Avitti Purvaka, that is you are doing in the wrong way. Okay. So destination as per worship. So whatever we worship, we get the destination according to that. Okay. Yanti deva vrata devan pitran yanti pitravataha bhutani yanti bhuteja yanti madhyajino apima. Those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship the ancestor go to the ancestor. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among such beings. And those who worship me will live with me. Okay. So Krishna is saying, whatever worship you are doing, you will take birth according to that planet. Okay. That you will take birth among them. Okay. And bhakti is very simple. So Krishna is saying the person who is devoted to me will take birth among me. Okay, he will come back to me. Okay, so how to do bhakti? So bhakti is very simple. Patram puspam phalam toyam yo me bhakta prayachati tat aham bhakti upahritam asnami prayatatmanaha. If one offer me with love and devotion a leaf, flower, fruit, or water, I will accept it. Okay. Krishna is saying, if you are offering me a leaf, fruit, a flower, or water, I will accept it. Okay. So Krishna is saying, these four things, if you are giving me, I will accept it. Okay. But one thing more is necessary. What that thing is love and devotion. Okay. Krishna is the proprietor of all the things. He is the proprietor of all the leaves. He is proprietor of all the flowers, all the fruit, proprietor of the flower, all the water. Everything is under Krishna. Everything belongs to Krishna. Yet, when we offer something to Krishna, he will accept it. How? Why? Why he will accept it? Because we are giving those things with love. Okay, just like a father. Okay, when a son is giving something to his father, he is purchasing that thing from the father's money only. Yet when the son is giving the thing to father, father is very happy because he sees love in it. Okay, so that is the thing. Krishna also sees love in it. Krishna is not hungry for the leaf, fruit, flower. You can see here, okay? This bhakta is making prasadam. He is making prasadam with the leaf, flower, fruit, and water is there, and milk is there because Krishna loves milk. So these four things he is making the bhoga and giving to Krishna. Okay, so Krishna is not hungry for our food, but if we offer those things with love, with devotion, then Krishna will accept it. So this is the thing. Okay. What should one do if one is not able to perform pure devotional service? So many of us are not able to perform devotional service. What to do then? Yat karosi yat ashnani yat juhosi dadashi yat tapasyashi kanteya yat tapasyashi kanteya tat kurushva mad arpanam. So mad arpanam. So whatever you are doing, just offer it to me. So whatever Krishna is saying, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerity you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. So many of us are not able to do practice, devotional practice, pure devotional service. So what to do? So Krishna is giving the simple formula. Whatever you are doing, keep doing that. Whatever your austerity you are doing, keep doing that. Okay. What Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
So Krishna is saying, so if whatever you are doing, do that, but do as an offer to me. Okay, so whatever you are doing, just offer the fruits to me. So Krishna is saying this. So by Niskam Karma Yoga means there is fruits of the work we do not desire. Okay, so that is called Niskam Karma Yoga. So in a sense, work is needed even for bodily maintenance. So we do work for maintaining our body. We need to do work for maintaining our body. Okay, it is not like that we will leave this work and then we will be happy. Not like that. Okay, so we need to do work for the maintenance of this body. Okay, so but if we are offering those results to Krishna, then that thing become a devotion. Okay. So religious duties, whatever you are doing, do it only for Krishna. Eat whatever you are eating, eat only prasadam, offer it to Krishna first, then eat. Okay. Charity, utilize for furthering Krishna consciousness. So whatever Krishna consciousness, you can preach that with the knowledge. Okay. Further, austerity, meditate on Krishna 24 hours by chanting on his deeds. You can chant, you can think of him. Okay. Result of performing Niskam Karimoga is freedom, comes by connecting our activities with the Lord service. So our activity can become service. Our activity can become a devotional service. How? If you attach Krishna to those activities. Okay. So whatever activity a Brahmana, a Kshatriya, a Vaishya, a Shudra is doing, if they are doing for the Krishna, then what will happen? That activity become devotional activity. Okay. So Krishna is saying, Samo aham sarva bhutesu. I am sama. Sama means neutral. Okay. Samo aham sarva bhutesu. I am neutral to all the living beings. Okay. Name dvesha asti na priya. So he is not. No one is very priya to him. No one he is envious to him. No one he is envious. No one he is very lovable to him. Okay. So he is sama. Krishna is saying, Samo aham sarva bhutesu. Name dvesho asti na priya. Ye bhajanti tu mam bhaktya mai te teshu chapi ham. So he's saying, but I envy no one, nor I am partial to anyone. I am equal to all. So Krishna is saying I am neutral. Okay. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion as a friend is in me, and I am also a friend to him. So he's saying that I am neutral to all. Okay. But when a person is doing devotional service, that person come into my attention. That I pay personal attention to that person. Okay. But I am neutral to anyone. So if one person is a non-devotee, then whatever he will get due to his karma. Okay. But when a person is a devotee, what will happen? Special attention to that. So they will get the result. They will get the results according to their karma, but they will get quickly. And what result they will get? If they are doing devotional service, they will get a karma. Okay. So a karma they will get, but also they will get quickly. Okay. And when a person is non-devotee, he is getting the result of the karma, punya karma, pap karma. So that thing he will be getting. Okay. So Krishna is saying, I am neutral. Okay. अपि चेतसु दुराचारो भजन्ते मामनन्यभक् साधुरेव सा मन्तव्यः सम्यक् सम्यक् व्यवस्थितो हि सः. Even if one commits most abominable action, that is sudurachara. So even one is a very abominable person, okay, durachari person. So even if one commits the most abominable action, if engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated in his determination. Okay, so this is Megari. Okay, so when he started doing devotional service, he was a hunter. Okay, very well hunter. So when he started doing devotional service, he was even considerate to the ants. Okay. क्षिप्रं भवन्ति धर्मात्मा शाश्वत चान्तिं निगाच्छति कान्तेया जानीहि नामे भक्ता प्रणश्यति. He quickly become righteous and attains lasting peace. क्षिप्रं means quickly. Okay. O son of Kunti, declare it boldly that my devotee never perishes. Okay. So this is the sansara. Okay. This is the sagar. This is the sagar san of this material world, and we are here. Okay. And if we start doing devotional service, what will happen? Then Krishna will come and take us, okay, from this bhavsagar. Okay. Glories of bhakti. People of simple birth can also attain Krishna. Mami partha vyapashritah. Mami partha vyapashrita ye api shiv papa yonaha Sriyo Vaishya Tatha Shudra Te Api Yanti Param Gatim. So, son of Partha, those who take shelter in me, though they be in lower birth, women, Vaishya or Shudra, can attain the supreme destination. So, even one simple person can attain Krishna, okay, by taking shelter into him. Essence of all essences, 9.34, Manmana Bhava Mat Bhakto Yatyaji Mam Namaskuru Mam Evaishashi Yuktavyam Atmana Mat Parayanaha. Engage your mind always in thinking of me. Become my devotee, offer obeisances to me and worship me. Being completely absorbed in me, surely will come to me. So absorbing oneself in Krishna consciousness. So this is the essence. What is the essence? Always think of me. Okay. Become my devotee. Offer obeisances to me and worship me. Okay. So this is the essence of this chapter. Okay. So this is the essence. So this is from my side from the chapter number 9. So let's once chant. Okay. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna Hare
Hare,
Hare
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 Ram,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Rama, Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama
Rama
Hare
Rama,
Hare
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 Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
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 Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna
Ram,
Krishna
Krishna,
Hare
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 Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama
Hare
Rama
Rama,
Rama Hare 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 Krishna
So if you have any question, you can raise your hand or you can put in the chat box. Okay. Question? Yeah, any question? If you have any question, any comment,
Shefali Mataji, please unmute. Shefali Mataji.
Mataji, question. Okay.
Hare Krishna, Prabhu.
Mataji, too much info.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yes, Mataji. Too much echo is there, Mataji.
In 9.4, we have Krishna saying, all beings are in me, but I am not in them. Right?
Let's open that. Yes, Mataji. I have a question. Yeah.
Can't hear, no, Prabhuji.
All beings are in me, but I am not in them.
Okay.
So, is the super soul not a part of us and also a part of Krishna?
No. The meaning of this is all beings are me. All beings are dependent on me, but I'm not in that. But I'm not dependent on like that. Okay,
Okay,
Mataji.
but they are, he is in us and we are in a
Yeah,
part of him, right?
he is with Atma in the form of Paramatma. He is in every atom. We have read
That is
earlier.
what I got confused because yesterday also that shlok was like that. So, okay, Prabhuji, another question in 9.32, why women are considered in the lower birth?
Okay. So I was expecting this question, Mataji.
Thank
So
you.
I was expecting because many people have this question. What is the why the women are considered lower birth? Okay. So can anyone, if anyone has this question, they can also raise hand so that collectively I will answer. Okay. Two only, three. Yes, Mataji. Anyone else? Only three. I hope all would raise the hand because many people are there who will be thinking that what is this? Why women are included in this? Okay. Any more? Only five or six. Very less number. So others are convinced that it is rightly written. So can anyone answer? If anyone can answer, you can raise the hand and Mataji you can unmute. So those who have not raised, can anyone from them can answer? Mataji, you can lower all the other hands so that
Okay,
the
Prabhuji. Okay.
people who want to answer, they can raise the hand. So anyone who has not raised the hand would like to answer? Yeah, anyone who want to answer? If they want. Same question, and why discriminating studies now when Now, when in earlier chapter it was clear that it was based on the discrimination. Okay. So about women, what is the answer? Anyone? Okay, so let me answer. So no one is answering. Let me answer. So many people are means they are misguided about the position of women. Okay, so by Krishna's mercy, what happens that women are more emotional. Okay, you all are agree or not? Women are more emotional than men. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Women are more emotional or not? Not necessarily. Mostly by nature it is. By God has made this. Okay, that women in general, if you see that women are more emotional. Okay, more emotional means see intelligence and emotional are somewhat means not means if you are emotional you won't be able to take correct decision. Okay, so more women are by nature they are made more emotional by Krishna because they have to look after the family, they have to look after all the family, the children. Okay, and when we are more emotional then we are more attached. Yes, that is the thing. So when we are more attached, when we are more emotional, then that is the what it is the meaning. Okay, so one answer is women are more emotionally strong too. So emotional strong means they take decision mostly based on the emotional practices. Okay, so this is the thing. So they are more attached to the family life, they are more attached to the kids, they are more attached to this material world. Okay, so and they are taking decision. By taking decision the emotion come into factor. So this is not like that women are more emotional, that is a bad thing. Okay, and males are less emotional. Less emotional means they are able to take this intelligence decision more nicely. Okay, so this is not like the women are less intelligent and men are more intelligent. Women are then you can say the men are also less emotional, so men should also get hurt. Okay, so this is not like that. This is our constitutional position. Okay, this is like that only. Krishna has made like that only, that women are more attached to the family, men are less attached to the family. More women are more emotional, and while they are more emotional, their decision taking tendency is a little less. They used to take decision more based on the emotional factors. Okay, so this is the thing, and they are more attached to the this world, this family life. Okay, so that is what it is right here. That is what it is called. Okay, so that is why is it put in the same category as class based on the lower category, because this the transcendental we are knowledge we are speaking. Okay, so for understanding that, so Krishna has said already said that even if you are woman, if you do the devotional service, then you are elevated. So what is the meaning of so much thinking about this only? Okay, so even if you are woman, even if you are Shudra, even if you are Vaishya, okay, so there is nothing to be done. Okay, so even if you are doing devotional service, you are elevated. Okay, so emotional thing is a different thing, and intelligence is different. Okay, somewhat different thing. Not like that fully they are like they are not able to take decisions. So women are most emotional and men are less emotional. Okay, that is the what is the meaning by this is the constitutional position. Okay, it is not like that some women are probably more intelligent, less emotional. So some women are exception, they are not like women. Krishna has made women like this one and the men like this one. So this is in general I'm telling. Okay, yeah, one hand raised.
Kavita Mataji, please unmute. Kavita Mataji.
Yeah,
Kavita
Mataji.
Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
Yes, Mataji.
I just wanted to share a small thing because in certain Vaishnava Sampradaya, they consider all Jivatmas to be like women, and Krishna being the only Mahapurush is since he's Paramatma. We are all, whether male, men
Yeah,
or women.
here also
Yeah.
if you see Krishna is the Purusha, And all the Prakriti is
Yes,
female. That
yes,
is
including,
yeah. So
irrespective of.
that is also very nicely you have said, Mother.
Yes, so that is how all Jivatmas are considered, like just like the Gopikas, we're all Jivatmas, irrespective of whether we are men or women, and we are.
There is nothing to be attached in the when woman thing, Mataji.
Yes,
Only we
yes,
have to think is we have to go back to Krishna Loka. Otherwise, if you are too much attached, God knows if you are a man in this life, then next life you will become woman. There is nothing to be attached so much
Yes.
in these things. Okay, why
Yes.
we are attached to these things? Just do the devotional service, go back to Krishna. That is the thing. If you are too much attached, if you are
Correct.
too much attached to the thinking like a woman
Physical.
body, next life, who knows, you will get a woman body. Okay.
Yes,
So
correct.
try to get away from this bodily conception. Okay, that is the thing.
Correct.
Okay.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Yeah, I have seen many women. They're so feminist. Okay, they won't listen. Only anything they won't listen. Okay. And so at last I will I will do Ram Ram and go away. Okay, because anyway, some days after they will understand. Not after this life, then again after some life they will understand. Maybe so. That is the and depends upon the karma also. Whatever we are doing, whatever purity we have, whatever the devotional service we do, that depends upon the previous devotional life also. Okay, so that is the thing. There is no, if you are attached too much to the bodily conception, I have seen people attached too much to the men life, men body, women body, nationalist. God knows if you are today Indian, again next life you will become Pakistani. Who knows? Okay, so there is nothing to be attached. Okay, too much attached. The only thing to be attached to that you are a soul and you are part and parcel of Krishna and you should serve Krishna. That thing only gives you liberation. Nothing else. Okay. So, Prabhuji, please explain the elaborate verse 2.9.23. Okay, that's any other, let's see, any other, what is put in the same category. Women don't always have to look after family, it's their responsibility. Family is made of women and men. Kids are made by both. Okay, but that is different thing. Okay, mothers are generally more attached to the kids, and the kids, their shared responsibility is there. Women more they are more attached to the children, so they can rear the children more nicely. They can make the children a nice devotee. Okay, so that is the thing. So we both have shared responsibility. So responsibility is also divided. Okay. So when you gradually elevate yourself in the devotional life, then you will be able to understand that is what is this meaning. Okay, why women are called little bit of they are more emotional, less intelligent. Why it is called so? Those things you will understand gradually when you become gradually elevated in devotional. Earlier in the first part, it is very difficult to understand. Okay, I have seen many women. I have seen many feminists who won't believe in that. Okay, because they are so much attached. What they learn is what they see outside. Okay, then, so what they think is what they see outside. So that is the thing. So they are surrounded. We are surrounded by the people who are whose mentality is right, like Davik, not Davik. That is Rakshasa mentality. So many people are there. So what we learn today in the today's generation is the effect of outside world. Okay. So gradually, when you elevate yourself in the devotional life, then you will be able to understand what is the meaning of these things. So for now, the explanation I have given that do not yourself get attached too much to those things. Do, not attach yourself to these things. Okay. If you have too much attached that okay, I'm woman, I hate men, like this, then God knows in the next life you will become male. Or when man is there too egoistic that I am a man, I am a man, I hate women, and next life God knows you will become a woman, then what will happen? So there is a cycle is there. So try to elevate yourself from those feelings. Okay. This is the best not being too attached. Will explain one who performs abominable action. How can he become is considered saintly? Okay, so Valmiki is there. Okay, so in the Valmiki was a Rakshasa. Valmiki was a robber. Okay, he was robbing. So he was killing people and he was robbing, and then he become Valmiki. So example is it's in front of you. He was doing a abominable action, and when he started doing devotional service, he becomes saintly. Okay, so this is the example in front of you. Please, Prabhuji, explain verse 9.23. 9.23. This is the those who are devotee of other gods and worship them with faith actually worship only me, O son of Kunti. But they do so in a wrong way. So many people, so it is not like that you are worshipping any other gods, like if you are worshipping Indra, you are worshipping Lakshmi, you are worshipping Saraswati, any of you are worshipping Durga Devi. So they are all devotee of Krishna only. So whatever you are worshipping, you are indirectly worshipping to Krishna only. Okay, because Krishna is the supreme personality, and all these demigods are also a devotee of Krishna. They are great devotee of Krishna. That's why they got their position as demigods. Okay, so but they are also living beings only. Okay, and they have got the devotion. They have got this position due to their devotional service. Okay, so whatever worship you are doing indirectly to Krishna. So why not to do the devotional service directly to Krishna? Okay, so you are doing the devotional service, but you are doing it in the wrong way. The correct way is to worship Krishna directly. Okay, avidhi purvakam. So we are doing this devotional service, but in avidhi, that is improper way. The proper way will be to directly worship the Krishna. Okay. Actually, worship only me. Actually, worship me, but they do so in the wrong way. What does that line exactly mean? So I think I explained all the time. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for Patram Puspam Phalam Toyam, one of the best shloka for us to follow. Simple bhakti, enjoy the session. Hare Krishna. So Patram Puspam Phalam Toyam, you have to give to Krishna. But along with that, pure love and devotion. Okay, that is what Krishna wants. Okay. That's very much a very difficult situation today, and got a direction. Please, Hare Krishna. Can you please elaborate 9.30? If I understood correctly, even a criminal, if remains a devotee, can read up, get up. Same 9.30. This one. So we have seen the example of the robber, and when he became Valmiki. Okay, so he was robber. He was killing people, and when he started devotional service, he became a great devotee. He wrote Ramayana. Okay, so this is the question. Hare Krishna, Nandita Mataji.
Please unmute Mataji. Nandita Mataji, please unmute.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you for such a wonderful class. Prabhuji, I have one small request, or it's actually a doubt. Suppose we are, we don't have a choice at all and we have to eat out. I mean, it's sattvic food only. What kind of a prayer should we say? Because that day we won't be able to offer prasadam. So, go and get the prasadam.
I will tell you, Mataji, in I think 17th chapter.
Oh, okay,
16 or 17th chapter, I'll tell you.
Okay, thank you, Prabhu. Thank you so much. Okay. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Yeah. Any question? The questions are over. If your questions are answered, then you can.
Prabhuji, there is one question. If men are emotional by nature, will they be considered being of lower birth?
Of lower birth. If they are emotional, they are not taking devotional service directly, they are lower only. Okay. So devotional service, the person who are doing devotional service are like Brahmana. Okay. They are above Brahmana, that is Vaishnava. Okay. Brahmana is above, Vaishnava is above Brahmana. Okay. Brahmana is who has knowledge, who is distributing knowledge. Vaishnava realize that knowledge. It's called Vaishnava. Okay. So if a person is not doing any devotional service, then he is not a Vaishnava. So all are lower. What is the meaning of Kshatriya, Shudra, and all? If you are not doing devotional service, then you are all lower person. So that is the meaning. Because if you are not thinking for yourself, you are not thinking what will happen to you after this death. Okay. If you want to enjoy this birth and death cycle, then there is no enjoyment on it. You will be uh, you will be in this cycle. So your attention should be to get out of this birth and death cycle. Prabhuji, please summarize today's class. Today's class all full bhakti only. Okay. Now I'm giving this mnemonic also. No? So from the mnemonic, my devotees never perishes. That line I didn't understand. Say, does it say that soul that attains Krishna? So my devotee never perishes. Means again the same question. One who performs abominable action, how can he not consider saintly? Okay. So I have already given this answer. Mataji, I have already given. Shruti Mataji,
Yes,
you
Prabhuji.
you still have this question?
No, no, no.
I see it's again rolled. That's why I asked. Hare Krishna, Shruti Mataji. You still have this question? Should I answer it again? No answer from Mataji side. Thank you, it's answered. Yes, yes, I answered already. Given the example, one is Jagai Madai is also there. They are very Jagai Madai. Okay, so any question? What question? My devotee never perishes. So when you start doing devotional service, does it say about soul that attains Krishna? Yes. Yes. Perishes means they never perishes means destruction, death. Okay. So when the devotee is there, and he become Krishna's devotee, then there is no death for him because he will be taken away by Krishna. Okay. So he won't be coming back. The meaning is he won't be coming back to this world. Okay. Okay.
No more questions, Prabhuji.
Okay, so we'll end the session here, and tomorrow will be the 10th chapter. 10th chapter, very nice chapter. Chatur Shloki, in fact, 4 slokas will be there. Very nice chapter. So all of you please come. We'll start the chapter tomorrow. So I am meeting all. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare
Hare Krishna.
Krishna.
Prabhuji, thank you so
Hare
much.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
I was not sure if I can ask this simple question. Many people be in this pattern on forehead. I have seen many people be in this pattern forehead. I didn't understood your question, Mataji. One question is there. I have seen many people be in this pattern on forehead. The meaning of be. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. The forehead, the bindi kind of thing that you wear
This one. Bindi.
on your forehead, I don't
This is
understand.
Tilak. Tilak. No? Tilak.
Tilak.
Mataji.
Why do we wear that?
Tilak. This is. Why do policemen wear his dress? Why do policemen wear the cap? Is it necessary for a policeman to wear the cap, wear the costume? Is it necessary? Yeah, Mataji. Is it necessary for him to wear a cap? This is to show that well we are devoted to Krishna. And see what happened if one thief is there, okay, and he see a person in the policeman dress, what he will do? He will run away, okay. That is what will happen if any person who has bad mentality, he won't come near you, okay, because he knows that you are doing bhakti, you are a devotional person like that, okay. And other regions are also there, but this region is more practical in this for the level 1 class, I think. That when we wear tilak, when we wear the costume, then the person with bad mentality, negative mentality won't come to us. Okay? So that is, and if we are doing wrong things, then they will only correct us. Oh, you are a devotee. Why you are doing this wrong things? Okay. So they will also correct us. So double faida is there. Okay. Other reasons are also there that it gives purification to us. This is the Gopi Chandan. So we put the Gopi Chandan not in the forehead, to all 12 body parts we put. Okay. So for the purification process. So this is daily ritual for us to put this tilak. Okay. And this shows that we are devoted to Krishna. So this is the thing. Okay. To show the negative mentality of people that do not come to us. Okay. And Danvar Pranam is at a right. Why do many questions are there? Why do we keep both hands up when chanting the Mahamantra? Does it have any special significance? So, if you see Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's deity, he will be dancing in ecstasy while chanting the Mahamantra. Okay, so we try to copy him, we try to do like him. Okay, so many devotees you will see dancing. We try to imitate dancing by him, not like every steps we can do. We try to imitate in this Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay. Oh, thanks a lot. And Dandavat Pranam is the right angle to the idol in the temple. Dandavat Pranam, generally what happens, these are the question of Vaishnava Sadachar. When you do the level 2 class, there is Sadachar is also there, and Bhakti Shastra is there. So these are questions generally we discuss in the Bhakti Sadachar. So many people won't be doing, so I will answer it here only. So what happens? So generally what happens in the ISKCON temples, generally this is the rule that we should, forehead should be in front for the giving the word, okay, doing pranama. So forehead should be in front of the deity so that we directly put the Dandavat to the deity. But what happens in the ISKCON temple, generally opposite to the deity, Garuda will be there or Prabhupada will be there. Okay. So if you go to ISKCON temple, generally what will happen? The opposite to the deity, either Garuda will be there, Prabhupada will be there, Prabhupada deity will be there, Garuda will be, deities will be there. So while doing Dandavat, if we do Dandavat like forehead is in front of the Krishna, then our legs will be towards the Prabhupada. So we try to avoid that. So instead of doing in this way, we try to in the right angle so that our heart is near to Krishna. Okay, our left side is near to Krishna. So in that way we go to Dandavat. Okay. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow then. Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. So once I'm unmuting all. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, thank you.
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.